Students, let us understand this question through the diagram. Here the question says, a man sleeps with his arm hanging over a chair after alcohol intake. Next morning, he has wrist drop. Now the question is asking, which nerve is affected? The options are A, median nerve B, ulnar nerve C, radial nerve D, musculocutaneous nerve. The correct answer is C, radial nerve. Now let us understand why. Look at the upper part of the diagram. The man is sleeping with his arm hanging over the chair. In this position, the radial nerve gets compressed in the spiral groove of the humerus. This condition is classically called Saturday night palsy. Now, why is it called Saturday night palsy? Because classically, after alcohol intake, the person sleeps deeply in an abnormal position and the radial nerve gets compressed for a long time. Now look at the right side of the diagram. You can see the radial nerve traveling close to the humerus, especially in the spiral groove. Because of this close relation, the nerve can be injured by compression or by fracture of the shaft of humerus. Now, what does the radial nerve do? The radial nerve supplies the extensor muscles of the arm and forearm. These muscles are responsible for extension of the elbow, extension of the wrist, and extension of the fingers. So when the radial nerve is injured, the patient cannot extend the wrist properly. Because of this, the hand falls down and this is called wrist drop. Now connect this with the question. The patient slept with his arm hanging over a chair and the next morning he developed wrist drop. This is the classical presentation of radial nerve compression in the spiral groove. So the answer is radial nerve. Now see the bottom right motor map. It shows the muscle action as forearm extensor muscles, the nerve as radial nerve, and the clinical deficit as wrist drop. That is exactly what is shown in the question. If the radial nerve injury is high, the patient may also have weak elbow extension. There can also be sensory loss over the posterior arm, posterior forearm, and dorsolateral part of the hand. So for NEET PG, remember this very clearly. Radial nerve supplies extensors. Radial nerve injury causes wrist drop. Compression in spiral groove after sleeping on the arm is Saturday night palsy. So the answer to this question is C, radial nerve.